Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page, friends. Today's video is going to be very special because in this video we are going to decorate a fruit plate. Look, we are cutting a watermelon here. We have removed the fruit. Now we are cutting the green portion from its sides like this. Again we are cutting it like this from the center. Now we are again cutting it like this. Do tell me in the comment section below if you want to watch these type of videos. And now again we are cutting it like this. Look what we are up to. Now we are making small cuts from its side and give it a shape like this. Again we are giving it multiple cuts and then we are going to cut a small portion like this. After that, stand it and look, it will look like this. We are putting a watermelon cone, like it is looking like ice cream to me, but yeah. And look how beautiful this shape is looking. Keep it aside. Now we are going to cut the watermelon fruit and make different shapes like this. And look how pretty this is looking. And then we are going to make multiple cuts as usual and put it on the plate, and look how beautiful this is looking. Now we are taking another color of watermelon. This is orange. Yeah, and we are making multiple cuts and put it also on the plate, and look, it is ready. Now what vegetable or fruit we are taking? Oh, it is cucumber. We are going to make multiple cuts and look at these beautiful flowers, and we are going to put it on the plate as well. Now we are cutting an apple and look how pretty the shapes are looking. Yeah, we are going to cut 4 different pieces and then look how pretty these are looking. We are also putting cherry tomatoes. I think, yeah, we call them this cherry tomatoes on the apple, and look, this is also looking pretty. Put all the apples on the plate and look how pretty and beautiful this plate is already looking. After that we are going to, yeah, there's still a lot of space left. Now we are cutting an orange like this. We are making again round shapes on it, and look, it is ready. We are going to put it as well on the plate. After that it is done, and how pretty this beautiful colorful fruit plate is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.